Hello beauties, welcome again to Women Hairstyles. Have you ever thought of a kind of hairstyle that will give your hair that pretty and decent style? Just fix your gaze and give yourself enough time, to be mesmerized, because this beautiful hairstyle is that hairstyles and colors that prove simplicity can become elegant in no time. One thing about the styles on the screen is that it's a kind of hairstyle that is versatile and is a haircut that will always expose your beautiful facial features, and you can wear it wet, for that trending wet style. Like this is springtime, and you can wear this hair, even with the rain, and you will always come out look beautiful, because this cut will always add softness around your face and your hair, and it will make your hair to always be wispy. I just love this beautiful style. It's so gorgeous. It's a beautiful style that will suit all face shape, and it's that kind of cut that will make you feel like we give you that kind of flattering effect. So one thing with the style is that it's really that haircut that is a wash and go, and is a style that will help you emphasize a more elongated features, always making you to achieve a well balanced look. This hairstyle is also good, and you can see how with this kind of style you to help you to it will always be there to make your face look beautiful and fuller, and it will always suit all hair texture. So whether you have the thin hair or you have the thick hair, this kind of hairstyle will really be the best for you to try. So you can see how lovely it looks, making this woman to look so beautiful. So if it's the first time, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate you all. God bless you guys, and see you in my next video.